Hello everyone and welcome back to another exciting episode of Less for More, the show where I show you how to do amazing do-it-yourself projects, cooking recipes that you can share with your family and friends, to photography, travel, and product reviews and much more. But today I'm going to talk to you about a subject that has popped up in my other videos. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and check out my scroll bar of my other videos. You won't be disappointed. But back to that subject, as you know, it's a rule for me, and I'm very focused on having clean hands, clean hygiene, clean products, clean surface wares, everything clean, okay, because we don't want to get sick in 2018. However, recent research reports have shown that if you use too strong chemicals, you can still get sick. For example, if you don't use equal parts bleach and water, if you use too much bleach in cleaning, you think, oh yeah, if I add more, I'll be less likely to get sick. Well, there's a problem there. Less is more. But actually, if you use too much bleach, what will end up happening is the fumes will build up. They're active agents involved in the chemical compound of bleach, and it can mess up your lungs, and you can get sick. Or for example, perhaps you're constantly washing your hands like I am, but maybe you're using dish detergent to wash your hands because maybe you're always cooking or dealing with different, taking out the trash, things like that, because it says it's antibacterial. But what ends up happening is you look at your hands and, well, then they start getting dry, they start cracking. You might even get a little rash from the strength of the chemicals, conflicting with your skin. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a neat hack that will allow you to not only keep your home clean and sanitized, keep your hands clean, keep your health safe, but at the same time will also heal and treat your hands. So let's jump right.
Ain't nothing better than watching you smile. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ain't nothing better than watching you laugh out loud, my baby. Ain't nothing better than watching you be you. Ain't nothing better than right now. In your eyes lie the secrets I don't wanna miss. Put your hand in my hand and make a fist. Grab my shirt, curl your lip as if you know. Staring back in my eyes saying please don't go. I don't know what I know, what I know, what I know what it is that you really, really want or you need.
Hello folks, so we have our raw ingredients together for our homemade cleaning solution, and you're probably wondering what are these products, so I'm going to show you, break it down. This is apple cider vinegar with Mother. This is unpasteurized, uncut apple cider vinegar, so it's not diluted. You get the best quality for your cleaning. Now, apple cider vinegar is known to help the body as far as leaky gut, helping your gut, cleaning up bacteria inside your body. So it has also been proven to be used in cleaning bacteria outside the body. And also the enzymes that, if you'll notice, are often trapped at the bottom here. Don't be afraid of those. Those are actually good for you. Good to ingest, and also good for healing as well. So it helps heal the body from the inside, but also we're going to see how it heals on the outside as well as cleans. Now next we have our tea tree oil, and this is the most powerful agent that we have in our repertoire right here. Now tea tree oil has gone through many intensive studies. In fact, the recent count was 327. That was quite a large amount. And what the scientists discovered was tea tree oil is not only beneficial and as a good scent, but it also really does a deep clean. It can help a person get over a respiratory tract infection. It can treat that. It can treat a fungal infection. It can actually get rid of mold, which is what we use bleach for. But the difference is you won't be coughing up a lung with this, and your house will be smelling great. So that's our most powerful agent there. And of course, vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil, as you know, is very good for the body. It's especially good for the skin. If you look at most of your face wash and your moisturizers, they're all loaded with vitamin E, okay? And this is the oil, so this is going to be directly in contact with the skin, which is going to help you heal your skin, pamper your skin, moisturize your skin, seal your skin, all those important things that are necessary for keeping your hands from drying out and cracking, especially now if you're in a cold atmosphere, which we are in right now. It's very cold here. It's 16 degrees, and again, we got another snow flurry, so it's about a few inches of snow out there. So we're dealing with it over here. But if you're in a warm environment, that's great, that's wonderful. But still, hey, who doesn't want a good cleaner that smells good and won't tear up your hands? So let's put this to the test and see just how well it cleans and also heals our skin. Hey folks, so as you can see, I've already shaken up the enzymes in our apple cider vinegar with Mother. Shaking that up, you need to do that to make sure you get all the agents into your cleaning solution. And that's also true if you're ingesting this. Just a capful though, with a tall glass of warm water for health suggestions for the new year. Okay? But this, we're not ingesting this. This is solely for cleaning, okay? And this is extremely concentrated, especially the tea tree oil. So you only need a few drops. So I'm going to demonstrate this. So we're going to pour just a little bit here. Remember, less is more. Okay? I was quite generous with that portion right there. You don't even need that much. So now we're going to put the drops of tea tree oil in. Okay? 10 drops is about all we need. Then we're going to take our vitamin E oil, pour just a little bit in there. You don't need a lot because it stretches, and you want your products to last. This is the beautiful thing of homemade cleaner. It's made to last and also do a very good job with your cleaning. So we'll put all the tops back on. Now some of you I know do enjoy having the suds. Some of you feel like if you don't have the suds, you don't have the clean. And I understand that and I respect that. So for those of you who like to have the suds, and I'm not gonna lie to you, I like the suds as well. I like the bubbles, so we're gonna add just a little bit of this soap, okay? But not enough to where it would hurt our skin. You only need a drop, just enough to concentrate it, and then we're gonna add hot water. So let's do that. So you want your water to be hot, okay? It's part of the activation process, and cleaning with hot water is, you know, a great way to clean. So I actually have this on a low setting, but I have it running so that once you see it get cloudy like that, you can see how it's very hot. It's steam. So we're going to go ahead and add our water here. See how it's already activating? Okay, we're gonna stop. All right. Okay, as you can see, our bottle's filled up. You got the suds, clean product. So we're gonna give that a light shake just to mix it all up. Okay. You can see that it's very concentrated, and I wish you could be here to smell this. The tea tree oil is amazing. It has an amazing scent, and it will definitely leave that scent as you're on your cleaning products after you've cleaned your dishes, cleaned your surfaces. You're gonna have a very aromatic space. So let's put this to the test. We've got a little dish that needs to be clean. Had a nice meal with that, some cream of wheat. And add just a little bit of our cleaning product, okay? All right. Add some hot water. Take our dish rag and we're gonna wash it out. Wash that out real good, okay? So as you can see here, very clean, very shiny, and also very aromatic. So we're gonna rinse this off. Okay. Look at that, nice and clean. It didn't take long at all to clean that. And look at my hands, smooth. I can feel the vitamin E oil in my hands, in my skin. It's very smooth. I'm gonna wash my hands with it just to give you a brief demonstration. Okay folks, as you can see, I put the cleaner on my hands here. I'm gonna run it in the water. And I'm gonna tell you, if you could be here to smell the scent and also to try this out for yourself, I strongly recommend that you all try this out. Your hands will never feel so hydrated and so clean. I mean, I feel like my skin is just brand new. It feels extremely soft just from that few minutes of contact of washing and just washing the dishes and also washing my hands. So you're actually able to clean and heal at the same time. So folks, that is today's video of a home cleaning solution that will not only make you feel great, but let your dishes be great as well. This is Less for More. Please like and subscribe for more, and I will see you next time.